Dear students of class 8 English version, how are you all? We will start a brand new chapter called Light, and it's chapter 11. We are having a process of our revision and understand this scenario very clearly. Lesson 1. The refraction of light. Well, the discussion is something like that. Have you seen your image in your window glass? You must have marked that your image in the window of glass is rather inside. Do you find a difference between why the image in the window glass is down? And to answer you, the reason of it is the glass transparent, most of the light falls through it, so it's always that. And we also understood the area that we have discussed it about refraction. Okay, light hits a surface and bounces back to the same medium. This is called reflection. But light hits the surface and it goes through the surface is called refraction. Well, so you will understood the difference between reflection and refraction very much. Right? In 7 we might study it on reflection of light, and in 8 we'll study the refraction of light. Okay? Let us now see a detail how the direction of light changes when passing from one medium to another medium. See here, the light already changes direction, and we will take action in a real life scenario. Okay, so we should discuss an activity. The concept of refraction, the concept The concept of refraction So to do that, what we have required, necessary component, a long pencil, a drink glass with water in it, a long pencil, a drinking glass with water in it, it. So methodology. Take a glass of water which is 3/4 filled with it. Now put a pencil in the pressure filled glass of water as figure shown in the inclined way like our figure. How does the part of the pencil look like under the water? Ob- Observe the immersed part of the pencil and we try to understand the scenario. Okay, what happened there? In the above experiment, light from the bottom of the immersed part of the pencil reached us after refraction because the light form of the immersed part of the pencil reached our eye is passed from the denser transparent medium to rarer medium air and it differently in the surface. If light pass straight through two different medium, the pencil will look like straight or straight suddenly, but our observation is that the light is refracted at the surface between two medium. This change of direction of light is known as diffraction of light. I've told you. Light follows a direction as soon as it enters the other medium. This change will take place accordingly to the density of the change of medium. It is to be noticed that if light falls normally on the surface, they will not change their direction path. Lesson 2 and 3. Lesson 2 and 3, Laws of refraction of light. Laws of refraction of light. So to understand the laws of refraction of light, we do another activity. Refraction of light in a glass slab. Refraction of light of a glass slab. So from the above experiment, we clearly see that light when light passes from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards normal. But when it goes from denser to rarer to denser medium, it bends away. Here, light is entered from rarer medium air to the denser medium glass. Denser medium glass from the measurement of the angle. It is observed that the angle of incident is greater than the angle of refraction r and equal to the entering angle. The continuum of the figure. From the equipment, what observation can we make? Here, light is entering from the Okay. Here see the I is always greater than R for rarer to denser medium. So we can discuss with the law. 1. When a ray of light enters from rarer to denser medium, then it bends towards normal. In the case of angle incident is greater than the angle of reflection. When the light ray is different from one medium to another medium and finally emerges out that original medium, angle of the incident is equal to the angle of refraction. Angle of emergence. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal drawn in the at the incident point on the surface expanding to made media all lies into the same plane according to the from the figure. So law one, when light ray enters medium, then it opposite of one. আর তিন হচ্ছে they all lies on same plane. Now we go to the chapter 4 to 5. Lesson 4 and 5 we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Now see what we have learned from today's class. We learned what is diffraction. We might compare to reflection and diffraction. To understand diffraction, we did an activity. The concept of refraction, we see the big series bending in the separating or the surface of the half-filled water glass. Okay. Then lesson 2, 3, we understood the laws of refraction. There are three laws of refraction. One, it bends towards normal. Two, it bends away normal. And three is all of them, incident angle, reflected angle, normal, object lies on same plane. That's all for today class. Be good, be safe, Allah Hafiz.